You guys will be YouTube stars.
We're from Zephyr Hills, Florida, where the good fresh water is.
We love French food. It's probably cooler than here.
Like upstate?
No, upstate, Syracuse.
Syracuse
area. We're originally from south of Rochester.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're in the middle of Rochester and Syracuse.
Awesome. We're about south of Honeyway?
Hemlock, yeah.
Hemlock Lake, yeah. Small lake, yeah.
Do you know where Cortland is?
Oh, hell yeah. My sister went to school there.
That's where my husband is, from the Red Hat. That's where he's from.
Oh, Cortland, yeah. You guys are used to this weather, right?
No, I'm from Pennsylvania. And I was in my 20s. And I said, I'm out of here. No more snow. So I left.
I'm trying to get out of here.
I've lived here ever since. Not here in Florida, but
no, I know. I told him I can't take it anymore.
No.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Flopping through the
done.
groceries and trying to push the cart through all that. No.
She's done.
I'm done. I've been done now for like.
Done. I'm done.
Fun.
I'm done.
I'm done embarrassing myself. I'm done. I'm done.
Place you come out down here and let him come down when he's ready.
I know. Yeah, but he's gonna retire before me.
She thinks.
I'll just retire when he does.
What's he taking a picture of?
I'll travel.
Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Harrisburg.
We've been there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we're here on an RV trip.
What I mean is, ours is a package deal that includes
Now her husband.
So it's all inclusive then. Oh, nice.
Snorkeling, kayaking.
Oh, sweet.
There you go.
Latitude?
Yeah.
Sounds familiar.
That's where we had breakfast.
Had to take a boat onto an island
Oh, nice.
and have lunch. Breakfast, lunch.
Breakfast was outstanding.
Linen tablecloth.
Yeah. I gotta make his breakfast.
I had a crab benedict.
Oh, I love eggs Benedict.
I was gonna say,
Crab
honey.
benedict, 2 eggs.
Wow. You're getting me hungry over here.
Well, what was so neat is every table had a fruit tray that they put out first with all the fruits. Cantaloupe, watermelon, the biggest blackberries.
Oh.
Kevin, did Cassie get some of those blackberries?
I love
Good.
fruit.
I thought of her when I saw those. Jeez.
And they brought out all kinds of jellies, preserves. And
So y'all are in this tour? Nice.
I don't know if every one of us is.
Most of you are. All these guys are too. You're all on Yankee Tours? She's a Yankee fan. Does that count?
32 of us.
32 of you. Sweet. But you all come in your own RVs. But everything's planned once you get here or whatever.
Everything, even our site.
Well, I can understand that. I'm from Minnesota.
We've been out there.
Oh, I'm a Viking fan, so
Stadium.
We're all parked in the same area, right?
I love it out there.
yeah, we're right up. We're right past you. We're in the big blue toy hauler, the XLR toy hauler.
Okay. That RV right there is our host.
Also, Rod, okay. Oh, this guy here's your host. I saw the red banner. Okay, that's making sense now. Two and two together for me.
She's the little one next to you.
Oh, okay.
He's inside guarding the dogs.
You're not in the tent group, right?
No, you won't find me in a tent.
I think next year we're gonna take a tent.
Yeah, you can go out in the tent. I'll stay inside with the air.
And I found something from Millhouse down at the mall too. A pup tent. Maybe we'll move into a tent. Have you ever been camping?
Bikini are you wearing today, Debbie?
It's like a purplish black.
So, isn't it nice?
It is. It's
The
just
purplish
like
black one. Okay. Good night, Debbie. Yeah.
I thought it did it on its own. Refreshing, isn't it?
Sometimes you just gotta do it. Okay, we gotta do that, yeah.
And the Truman House, the little Truman White House.
Okay.
And we
The little White House.
And we got chicken.
You guys will look crystal clear. You'll go like, I forgot to shave good this morning. You did shave.
But not good.
Well, they don't care.
You're going to have a lot of editing to do.
A lot of editing.
Eric, he spends hours editing. He says he spends about 4 hours editing.
Yeah, it takes a long time to do all that. If you, yeah.
It looks like people are giving up and leaving. Say goodbye on the camera.
I did, honey. He knows me. This is Grandma Linda speaking.
Okay, Grandma Linda is leaving the house.
I am leaving the house right now.
Because it's too hot? Is that what?
No, I'm going to go cut some hair.
Oh, okay.
That's what I've been doing for 50, 60 some years.
Okay, so you're the official Yankee hair cutter.
I am.
Let's see. Face the barber chair.
Do you know his YouTube address?
No, but I see his thing. It's right beside a little boy.
So where to next? Where? And then TWO. That's the tricky part.
Where we are going? We are going to Cape
No,
Coral.
That's the name of
that's your name?
That's the name of our channel. Where to next?
But TWO.
Yeah.
That's cute. Yeah, we don't take any dogs or kids or anybody with you?
No.
Grandma?
No, we
She
keep
wouldn't let me.
2 cats and a dog at home, and I wouldn't let her, so no. No.
That's not
We travel light. We travel with ourselves and alcohol. That's about it. Lots of alcohol.
You know, Eric gets a lot of followers just because of Jax's cat.
Oh yeah. They love the cat with the little trolley or the little baby carriage or whatever.
Do
No.
you get as many as 50,000?
No. We're teeny. We're working people yet, so no. He's the king on that stuff.
Yeah,
So.
well, he's one of them.
Yeah, he's one of the kings.
He
Yeah.
makes money enough to buy a Class A.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep.
Hope to get there
He buys some
someday.
expensive
He does the expensive toys. Yeah, Kimball. Yeah. You might hear the airplane that just went over by. Okay, so if Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, if you ever watch this, here's one of your biggest fans right here.
But where'd she go?
Oh, she left.
She was here.
Well, you had a cameo by your biggest fan ever. Someday we'll meet up with him because we both like Bud Lights. So that's common.
He loves that. He likes pizza. He likes cheeseburgers.
We like all that too, but motorcycles too. So we're there.
He likes
We're with him. So we're not the haters. I know he's got haters, but we
haters.
Yeah, we definitely are not those type of people. So we're all for it, man. If he can do it, let it go, let it roll, man.
If you had a cat with you, you'd get more viewers.
I know. So you think I was thinking of a monkey.
Okay.
I need a niche. Everybody's got cats and dogs. We need a monkey. Don't you think a monkey, like maybe playing an organ or cymbals or something? That'd be cool.
You'd have your hands full.
Good talking with you.
Rinse off.
Absolutely. Thank you, Rod. Been a pleasure meeting you. Maybe we'll still see you when you get back then.
Yes.
Hello. Nice setup, guys. Bacardi Pina Colada. So we're going back to that again tonight. I think we did this one other time on this trip.
But you broke the blender.
And I broke the blender. This is a new one, meant for smoothies and icy drinks. So I will not be breaking the blender. First ingredient we put in, we make sure we don't put in anything heavy right here. So the little agitator, cutter, blender thing there. Makes it a little easy. We go right to the rum, and we're using 93 proof spiced rum. And she says don't make them real strong this time. Let me get our concoction in here. Boom. I'll agitate this up a little bit. Get the smoothie started. Now we don't put any other waters or So that concentrate, the water will actually be the ice. The Bacardi one, there's different frozen mixes, of course. Everybody has this, but the Bacardi frozen mix, there's no alcohol in it, of course, but it just got a great taste and aroma to it. It's kind of like buttery rum. Oh man, it's good. Okay, so we'll do that one step here. Get that one. What I'll do is I'll stop it for a second. Let everything. Cheers.
Saw that.
That's good. You guys would probably hate it though. More for us. After the hot day we've had, all these are going to be good. Debbie always gets brain freeze because she just, and I'm like, yeah, it's going to happen. She drinks it too fast. She's like a little kid. And I always have to tell her, don't drink it so fast. It's meant for icy drinks. See how thick it is. But it's smooth. It's got. Cocktail hours.
Fun.
On Key West, that would be $20. Okay, happy hour is winding down. KJ is on to Oktoberfest. The only Sam Adams beer I really like is their Oktoberfest. And Debbie is still doing our mixed up concoction. But we did have a couple guests stop by. I invited them. Okay, I admit I invited them, and they stopped by and we gave them a couple. So right, so we didn't drink them all. So now we're on to happy hour part 2. So. Skol Viking fans, and let's finish off happy hour so we can start making some burgers tonight. Burgers? Okay, burgers.
Clear or almost clear skin, and had significantly less itch. That's the difference you can feel. Don't use.
What are you feeding, Debbie?
I'm feeding my 5 little friends some bread. But they're hungry.
Like that guy right there. Guess the colors are similar to ours, but I'm not into the earth tones anymore. There's so many brown and bronze and dark brown RVs. The earth tones are out for me. They're just boring. I mean, look at that. Looks nice. It's not a big one. Just right. Just nice. This is silver, bronze, gray, whatever. I like that, but nothing beats some color, but not the brown. Look at the beige, the brown. This one's got nice graphics. It's full paint, but still follows that brown. Ooh. This is a site I wanted. Right here was a site that I tried to get that Chad and Tara, they got and they put on YouTube. And this was their backdoor view. We could have had our back deck down. And look at this view, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Favorite time of the night right now. Sun's starting to go down. Very peaceful. Up north where we are from, right now you smell all the smoke from the fires. Not so here, of course. But I'm good with it. Oh, this is awesome. I love palm trees. We're at 85 degrees right now and the sun is going down. Last night we had a low of 81. Yes, there's air conditioning's on in the RV and we're cheating on that, but still, who the heck cares when you can come out and have this kind of like temperature. Oh, loving it. Okay, coming up on our new friends at Yankee RV Tours. We met them at the pool today. There's 32 of them here to finish that off. 32 of them, and their week plus is almost up here at KW, Key West. So they're all kind of sad. I'm sad for them. We kind of made friends with a couple of the couples. And also Rod, which I've interviewed. This is his camper. Earlier in the pool, we were having fun with that. He is the leader of the group. Here we go. I'm just getting that sunset. Even it's not over the water. Soon we'll have that for you. Still, palm trees. I did mention I love palm trees. I know. Palm trees. Debbie's on the grill. Keep her off the grill. Keep her off the grill. So we got a couple burgers for KJ, and we got a veggie burger for Debbie.